ukutshiswa kwezindlu zowisomthetho zethu sisenyeliso nesithuko esingcolisa idemokrasi yeli lizwe. Somlomo, it was in that house that now lie in ruins that we passed progressive and numerous legislation to ensure that schooling is compulsory for all children as their birthright, especially children from the poor families.
This is a strange sona to debate because large parts of the President's speech are straight from the DA's playbook. Let's be clear, that is a good thing. It's a good thing. Because what we need if we want to fight poverty is agreement of where and how jobs are created. And for the very first time, someone from that side of the house seems to get it.
A president of a former liberation movement comes here to say that government does not create jobs and the hopeless people of our people must wait for private sector to create jobs for them. Sending our people to the private sector for jobs is like sending a cattle for slaughter. What we know about the private capitalist sector is that its purpose has never been and will never be about creation of jobs.
In February last year, you told us, and I quote, our unemployment rate now stands at a staggering 30.8%. That was true. But then you told us, and I quote, as a result of the relief measures that we implemented and the phased reopening of the economy, we expect to see a strong recovery in employment by the end of the year, close quote. That strong recovery in unemployment was nowhere to be seen.
The ANC government failed the people and especially the young people as far as employment is concerned. The unemployment rate amongst the youth is, and we talk about between 18 and 24 years, is about 63%. You failed them.
The monies that as were confirmed at the Zondo Commission and in Party Commission as well, that is the VBS, SSA and Bosasa standards, were diverted to your party's coffers. When will that money be returned to the fiscus to fix roads and many other infrastructure and other projects? Evidence corner, you have nothing to lose.